Good day, Master.
Masal Kyrie, good afternoon, honorable KICA members. I am Genie, a royal servant of DK. It is my honor to introduce today's esteemed panelists. Panelist number 1, Ruth Stackpool-Moore.
She is an investment manager based in Omnibridgeway's Singapore office, working with other offices internationally to originate, assess, and manage funded cases throughout Asia. Ruth is a cross-border international dispute resolution lawyer, specializing in arbitration. She is qualified in Australia and the UK. Ruth joined the dispute finance market in 2015 from the Hong Kong International Arbitration Center where, as managing counsel, she led the arbitration team for several years. Ruth began her career in private practice, representing clients in a variety of contentious matters with specialist firms De Bevois and Plimpton in London, Orrick Harrington and Sutcliffe in Paris, and Coudert Brothers in Paris and Sydney.
Panelist number 2, Chong. I heard that his wife is a Korean. Sorry.
He is an investment manager based in Omnibridgeway's Singapore office and is responsible for the strategic assessment and management of cross-border litigation, arbitration, and enforcement activities, with a focus on the Asia-Pacific region. Before joining Omnibridgeway, Chong practiced as an advocate and solicitor of the Singapore High Court at Drew and Napier, and the Singapore offices of Clyde and Co LLP and Hallman Fenwick Willen. Chong has experience in all forms of single jurisdiction and cross-jurisdictional commercial disputes in the banking, insurance, aviation, and defense industries and has a particular focus on the cross-border enforcement of arbitration awards and court judgments. Chong qualified in Singapore as well as England and Wales.
Panelist number 3, Michele Sonen.
Michele is the head of Northeast Asia at SIAC. She is responsible for SIAC's activities in Korea and Japan. Before she joined SIAC, Michele worked with the International Arbitration Practice Group at Lee & Co. There, she represented clients in international arbitrations involving a wide range of business disputes. Michele is qualified as an attorney in the United States.
Panelist number 4, Steve Kim.
He is the Secretary General of KCAB International and oversees the International Arbitration Team. Previously, Steve was the Director of ICDR American Arbitration Association and Senior Corporate Counsel at Samsung. Steve is a licensed U.S. attorney. He will participate in panel discussion only.
Panelist number 5, Samuel Park.
He is a California licensed attorney and an insurance broker with Aon, a British-American insurance brokerage firm. Samuel focuses on warranty and indemnity insurance brokerage and facilitation of W&I related claims. He is one of the few attorneys in Korea practicing exclusively in the W&I insurance industry. Before joining Aon, Samuel handled outbound D&A work at D.K.Kim and Lee and Samsung Fire and Marine Insurance Company.
Panelist number 6, Hyun Lim.
She is an international arbitration specialist based in Seoul, Korea, and a member of the International Disputes Practice Group at Kim and Chang. She is a Korean licensed attorney and is also admitted to the New York State Bar. From 2018 to 2021, she served as the Secretary General of KCAB International. For her term at KCAB, Sue began her arbitration career at another major Korean law firm, where she advised and represented clients in numerous international arbitration and litigation matters. Her arbitration experience covers many complex and high-value disputes, including the high-profile investor-state dispute brought against the Korean government by a U.S. private equity fund, which was finally concluded at the end of August this year. Whoa! What excellent panelists.
Before I disappear, I will let you know the ground rule. First, each panelist has 10 minutes for the presentation. DK will let you know when you've gone over the time limit. Second, this is a hybrid seminar. Samuel and Sue will present in Korean. KICA members are free to ask questions in Korean. Sue will translate your Korean question to a non-Korean panelist. Third, there are no other rules. I will free you from any restrictions. You can dance on the floor.
Let the conference begin.